Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a group in Telegram. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So, first of all, click on this pen icon in the bottom right corner. Then you're going to be taken to this screen. From here, you can press on to new group. Right here, you can choose who you want to add to your group. Press the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. Then what you can do is go ahead and name your group just like so. For example, I'm going to name this one tutorial. You can add a picture for the group too. Once that's done, come down and press the tick in the bottom right hand corner. And that's it. You can add members by clicking over here and choose who you want to add. You can even change the group picture or name by clicking over here. So that's it. That is how to make a group in Telegram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.